thank you, DJ. What is his name? DJ Tahar Pro. Thank you very much. Thank you for this music. Okay, guys, we're live. Thumbs up if you can hear me, please. Thumbs up if you can hear me. Thumbs up if you can hear me, please. Thumbs up. There's a bit of a delay on that chat on YouTube. I don't know what it is. There's a delay on it. Thumbs up if you're hearing me. I'm gonna wait until I see some thumbs up. Yes, thank you. There's a delay. Dope music, yeah, thanks. It's DJ Tar Pro. Sick guy. Makes a lot of music from his bedroom in France, somewhere in France. So I really like the guy. Nice DJ. Okay, guys. Well, enough about the music. It's now about a lot of things. Okay, there are a lot of tensions going on in the world. I don't have to explain. We're not going to talk about political things. We are in here about the economics and about altcoins, about Bitcoin, about the financial market. So that's what we're going to talk about. So also, please, I don't want to see anything in the chat about anything political, because that's not why we're here. We're here for the financial markets and how to defend ourselves from getting wrecked or opportunities to make ourselves some money. So that's what we're going to talk about. The first chart that I've put on over here, because I've been getting a lot of requests, and I'm getting a lot of DMs about MB, what's going on? Is it going to get worse? Is it going to get up? Is it going to get bounced? What is going on? And well, I know that a lot of influencers, when red appears, then they hide. Well, you know, when red appears is when retailers need influencers the most to keep them, to tell them what's going on. And really, you know, that's when I'm here. That's why I'm doing this live. I did one yesterday and I'm doing one today, because, you know, when retailers need people the most, that's when you have to be available. When everything's going to the moon, well, that's, it doesn't matter what you buy, just buy it and it goes up. So let me first of all start with this chart, because this is the chart that a lot of investors will be eyeing tomorrow. This chart is going to be the most important chart tomorrow to watch. So oil, because with the tensions going on, what is oil going to do? And oil, as you guys can see, we broke out of this trend line over here. But guys, if this thing starts shooting up like crazy, this is going to be very, very bad. And Powell is not going to like this. And this will create a lot more inflation. So the fight against inflation, if oil starts ramping up like crazy, this is going to cause problems. So this is the chart to check. What is oil going to do when the markets open? And this is something you could also see something like it opens up with a big gap. So it opens up very high, and that's really, guys, that's not good. That's not good. So that's why I'm telling you, watch this chart. This chart is going to be very important for tomorrow. Let me see, there was another chart that I wanted to show you guys. We're gonna talk about altcoins in a bit, guys. So and then we're gonna do the QA loud and clear. Okay, thank you. Yeah, good day to everyone over here. What do we got? We got Rob, we got the Beast, we got Dean, we got Alphaman, Ellie, Anand, Chrisley, Rosie, Chrisley. We've got what do we've got over here in my chat? Let me see. We've got Harmonia. We've got Tom. So welcome all, guys. We're gonna jump in. I first of all start with the big, you know, it's pretty funny when I'm checking my X posts, X feed, and I'm checking also some influencers out there, and they're talking about meme coins and talking about whatever altcoins out there, Ponzi schemes, etc. And I think to myself, wait a minute. What the freak are you guys doing? There's so much going on, and we are at very, very dangerous, risky times at the moment. And these guys are talking about meme coins. You know, I really don't get it. I really just don't get it. And by the way, I blocked 2 retail fan members today because I posted something and they told me, well, expose those scammers. Do you think that it's just that easy to expose scammers? Do you know how much shit can come over me when I do something? Do you know that they can do a lot of bad things to me? You guys have no clue. And it's very easy. And I checked one of them and he had pinned a shit meme coin on his Twitter feed. And then he asks me to expose the scammers. So I blocked 2 of them today. So guys, it's not personal, but please, when we are working hard to protect retailers from these Ponzi schemes, and then you start, yeah, well, expose these scammers. Yeah, well, we're waiting. What? I'm not on your payroll. I do what I want, how I want, and not because you're asking me to. So they're blocked. You know, guys, for me, it's very simple. I just push on one button and you're blocked and you're out of here. Just go follow someone else and see what you want to do in your life. I really don't care. But please don't tell me what to do. Just don't tell me what to do. You know, I do my thing. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, leave it. But don't come ask me and tell me, do this, do that. Okay, well, so oil, guys, oil. This is the chart to check when the market's open. How is this thing going to react to what's going on in the world? We got also gold. Gold, guys, this rise up is a lot. This is a lot. So gold, I think that gold needs to come a bit back. It needs to, we already had this spike up at gold. It's going too hard, in my opinion. On the other hand, we've got this one. I shared this in a private, I think. No, where did I share this chart? I shared this chart. You see this arrow here to this target? This was here when the price was over here. So we broke over here, alarm goes off. This was the target. We didn't hit the target, but we missed it by, what was it? Maybe 50 cents. So massive, massive trade. Congrats to everyone that took this trade. So now, what are we eyeing? We're eyeing the oil and we're eyeing this. And, you know, ones that have been watching my vids the past weeks, you know, I've been showing this a lot of times. Guys, the US 500. This rise up is just too much. It's way too much. And, well, as you guys can see, I also made a number of 8 candles. And, you know, the ones that didn't watch it, to go watch my Bitcoin imminent crash vid. I explained this, and well, as you guys can see, the red one. So this one is also very important, even more important, because the oil, you have to see it like it's all connected to each other. So oil, it depends on how oil is going to react to what happened, and then how is the US 500 going to react to the oil pump, and how is Bitcoin going to react to the US 500. So that's how you have to see it. And if this thing falls down, well, then it's a big question. How is Bitcoin going to react to that? How is Bitcoin going to react to that, guys? It's something really we have to keep an eye on. How is Bitcoin going to react to that? And by the way, guys, yesterday, what was it? Where was it? Over here? What was it? Yeah, I explained to you guys that the dump that we saw, it was a dump, but we were not out of the woods yet. And you know, it's just like I had a DM from a retail fan member about GLMI. Yesterday, I charted GLMI and I told you guys, wait a minute, GLMI, guys, is not looking good. It's not looking good. And he told me, well, I was watching your vid and I was hearing what you're saying, but nevertheless, I longed GLMI and GLMI dumped way more, and I lost a lot of money. So it's you know, in trading, it's very important to understand that when I say something, you have to really act on it. And if you are in any doubts, just don't trade it. Just stay away from it. Just stay away from it. You're better safe than sorry. That's just how it is. Don't get wrecked, please. And especially when you see me being bearish about something, then, you know, what I say is not law, but I get it right most of the times. And, you know, most of the people, they also know this from me that are following me. When I say something, be very careful. Be very careful, because when I say something, it's not because of I'm getting paid to say it. I'm saying something. I'm objective. I'm just, you know, GLMR is my top 5 coins. But if it's bearish, it's bearish. I will tell you it's bearish. I'm not going to tell you, you know, I love GLMR and yeah, just buy it, long it, etc. No. When I see something bearish on the chart, I will tell you it's bearish. I'm just objective because nobody is paying me. I'm on nobody's payroll. If something is bullish, I'll tell you it's bullish. If I say it's bearish, it's bearish. It's just how it is. That's just me. So, by the way, guys, while you're watching this vid, push on the like, please. Let's get this stream. Let's get this stream. Okay, I forget about that English word, how to say that one. So let me go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, what did we see? We saw yesterday, let me put it on the daily so we can see it better. We had this dump over here. We hit the 60K again, as you guys can see, this liquidity level over here. And you know, that spot ETF, an ETH ETF is maybe, I think if I'm not wrong, tomorrow maybe coming out in Hong Kong. So it's a bit of waiting. I think that the strength that we're seeing on Bitcoin has something to do with that one. But you know, we tested the 60K over here. We tested it over here, We keep testing the 60K over here. But at some point, if we will lose it, that's when we will probably get into, where is it? Where is that chart? Then we probably will hit this one. And guys, it will be very, very painful to a lot of altcoins. So a lot of people, they ask me, Ambi, what to do? What to do is very simple. You DCA buy on every dump, because if you would bought up the first dump, on the bounce you make money. The second dump, on the bounce you make money. And it's your own choice if you want to take money or you just say, you know what, just leave it hanging there, and if it goes lower I will just buy more. But you have to be active. You have to be active because those it's just like an earthquake. You've got the first earthquake, and then comes the second one, then comes the third one, and at some point that's when it settles down, and then we'll go up slowly. So for now, my target is still the same. Nothing changed. And by the way, guys, we just need to hope that if it comes down to here, that we will hold this level. That's also something else, because we've got this spot ETF now going on in Hong Kong. But if that's done, what's next? What's next? So that's something I wanted to show you guys. I want to show you guys something else also. Bitcoin longs on Bitfinex. Guys, this thing didn't hold. It just boom, 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 boom. This thing is just dumping down. This is bullish, by the way, guys, for Bitcoin, because the lower this thing comes, is the better, because at some point these wheels will start opening their longs again. So this is bullish. So if the fact that this thing is dropping so hard is bullish, while Bitcoin is still holding around the 60 and 65K. So this is bullish. Let me go to the shorts. The shorts, that's looking bearish. So it's the shorts are looking bearish because, as you guys can see, they are still in accumulation zones over here, the shorts. The big shorts didn't open yet. So this is something to be worried about. This is something to be worried, because those wheels at Bitfinex, they didn't open up their big shorts again. But I think, again, it has got something to do with that spot ETF in Hong Kong. And when that's over, that's when we can go and see the rest. Okay, I want to show you guys something else. Coinbase. Coinbase, I've talked about it. This is the stock Coinbase, and they are now in a lawsuit with the SEC, etc. And you see we hit this range perfectly. Now it's coming down a bit again. So let me go to the USDT, what we were talking about yesterday. And as you guys can see, we had this spike up. We didn't hit the indicator, but we were very close. So the ones that have been patiently waiting yesterday and getting filled on the bigger dump, congrats, because we missed it by like 3%. So this is something congrats to those that traded this. There are also people trading this, trading the PEX GBTC. And you know, yesterday I tweeted about this. I told a lot of people, I told them, well, I explained exactly yesterday because we were over here. Let me put it on the daily so you guys can see it. We were over here when I was talking about it. And you see, this spike up was causing the big dump of the big dump, at least the big dump on altcoins that went down like 20% or 30%. It was this spike up. Do you see what happened? Because the gold market is closed, but gold on crypto exchanges, this one is open. It's 24 hours open. So you saw this spike. And this is exactly what caused the dump. A lot of wills were getting when what happened yesterday. They panic, and what they did is they flipped their Bitcoin into gold, and that was this spike up. Let me remove this one so you guys can see it better. This is what caused the dump yesterday, and you know, I've been warning you about it. We got rejected very fast, by the way, because it went down. But what did this chart show us? That when something dangerous happens in the world, big wills, they flip their Bitcoin into gold. So meaning that a lot of people are saying that Bitcoin is a safe haven, it's digital gold. Well, it's not. Because what this chart is showing us is that Bitcoin is a risk asset. That's just what it is. And the safe haven is gold. Because otherwise, why would wills, when what happened yesterday, flipped in panic? They panicked and flipped their Bitcoin into gold. Why did they do that? Because wills see gold as a safe haven and not Bitcoin. Otherwise, they would definitely be holding their Bitcoin. Why would they sell their Bitcoin? So Bitcoin is a risk asset, and you know, that's what I'm also trying to explain you guys past weeks, is that we have to check this one, because this is also the risky. Stocks are also risk assets. It's the same. So Bitcoin and stocks are the same. You have to see them as the same. So if the US 500 will start coming down to retest the all-time high, what was the all-time high, by the way? Why? No, this is 48. So if it comes back to retest the all-time high, Bitcoin will probably hit our targets. It will probably hit our targets. So that's something to keep an eye. You know, guys, when you ask me questions about MB, how is it looking? Are we going up? Are we going down? Is this, that, etc.? You know, you can answer your own questions. I'm showing you where to look for and what happens if that happens. And also, the tensions are still on there. So the next 48 hours will be very critical. What is going to happen? Is it going to get worse or is it going to get better? And if it's going to get worse, well, helmets on. That's the only thing that I can say. Just helmets. Put on those helmets. It's really, we are in some dangerous times, and that's why also a lot of from the private group members, it's just simple. Open up your charts, put on the indicator, and go trade. Make your money and get out. Make your money and get out. Don't get stuck in there. Make your money, get out. There was one member from the private, he's with me from the beginning. He made like, you know, I shared it on X. He made like, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 trades. And he asked me also, well, MB, what do you think? Well, I think that you should take profits. That's what I think. And either, you know, even if they would go up even more, take profits, because you can. A lot of traders, they don't understand it. So also to the private group members that are now in this live chat, you can decrease your position. So you don't have to, when you are in doubt, so you're in profits and you're in doubt, what you do is take off 50% or take off 75%, sell it and leave 25% running. So if it comes back, you can either add to your long, or you can just at break even put a stop loss and get out, and you've taken profits. So because a lot of people, when they're trading, especially leverage, what they don't understand is when they are in a position, it's either they're in or they're out. That's not how it works. That's not how professional traders leverage trade. Professional traders, when a big rise or a big spike up comes up, what they do is they decrease their position. They sell. They sell. They close their position for 25%. If it goes up even more, they close for another 25%. And etc. etc. That's how you leverage trade. Because in leverage trading, it's not like spot trading. You're not gonna hold. You have to. It's because all those candles, they go up and down, up and down, up and down. And the trick for you is to educate and to learn how the ups, when you're in a long, you sell, decrease your position. When it comes down, find support, you add to your position, and so on and so on. So that's how you leverage trade. And guys, one big lesson that I want to give everyone that it's leverage trading, when you are in doubt, just get out. That's the best thing. Or decrease your position by a minimum of 75%. So when you're doubting and you don't know what to do, and you just take the dead money, because the money is there. And you know, you have to be dead from inside, because if the price would go even much higher, don't care about that. You took profits. You didn't lose money, you made money, and you could have made more money. Well, so be it. You made money. Be happy with that. No greed. Remember what I always tell you, no greed. So that's about the markets, and that's guys, that's all that we have to be looking for the coming hours. So it's really about gold and what's gold going to do. Really, I wanted to show you guys also the total market cap. Well, it's on the daily, we lost it. This is the total market cap. And why did we lose it? Because Bitcoin is also, how is Bitcoin? Let me see. Bitcoin also lost it. But you know, the total, it's even bigger because a lot of altcoin have gotten wrecked. And guys, most of the money that you're seeing here that's getting wrecked are meme coins. I've said it. You know, I can get so frustrated. Just like in the morning when that retail fan member was telling me, expose the scammers, and in the meanwhile he has pinned some shitcoin meme coin. So you either are at the right or either at the left. Don't be in the middle and just going a little bit from there, a little bit from there. And you know, guys, a lot of this liquidity that is falling down are meme coins. And you know, I made like 2-3 vids about meme coins. Just go watch them, and I explained exactly how I feel about meme coins. Meme coins are very dangerous, guys. Meme coins are very dangerous, and this is a lot of money that has been in meme coins. And you know, how can you trade? You know, let me say it like this: the team trades a lot of meme coins, but how do these are professional traders? They know, they use the indicator, they use the market sentiment, and they make a lot of money. But this is just quick money, in, out, in, out, in and out. But how the hell can you go invest in some meme coin hoping that it's going to do 1000x because the sentiment on CT is telling you that the meme coin that has got nothing, it's just pure 100% Ponzi scheme, and you're just investing in it, putting your money in it and hoping to get rich? Just go to the casino. Just go to the casino. When you're investing, invest in fundamental good projects, and the ones that are at very low ranges, just like I've been showing you guys. Why do I keep nailing the altcoins that I share on a 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x? Why? How do I do that? I do that because I buy blood. I buy something from which there are no sellers anymore. I'm not going to buy an altcoin that has got a lot of sellers, because let's go to the total 3. Look how the total 3 is looking. Look, this is total 3 is a chart that shows you the crypto coins excluded from Ethereum and Bitcoin. Look at it. Look at it. You know, I was warning retailers like crazy over here and over here. Watch out, please watch out. Watch out. This rise up, there will come a dump. It's just how it works in the markets. And a lot of people, they just don't listen. They're blind. They're blind. When this rise comes up over here, they're blinded. No, we're going to the moon. And I understand that you're blinded, because all you see on YouTube and Twitter, all you see is we're going to the moon, and this, that, etc. And you know, I really don't get how these people that have like huge communities like 100k, 200k, 500k followers, I really don't get it how these guys sleep at night. I really don't get it. How can they sleep at night knowing that they have just wrecked like 10K of people on a drop of 50, 60, 70? How do these guys, you know, I've talked to some of those influencers and I asked them this question. How do you guys sleep at night? You know what their answer was for most of them? Well, when it goes up, they make a lot of money. You know, but you know, the way you're getting into their minds is they don't take the damn profits. So they end up wrecked at the end of the story. Because why? You keep feeding them the same greed over and over again. So it's you know, I can speak, you know, I can talk about this for hours and hours and weeks, but if I don't get into your freaking mind, I cannot change anything. So I'm trying to educate a lot of retailers, and I know that a lot of retailers that follow me, they save themselves a lot. Just like my helmet calls, just like my macro analysis, just when I say look out, get out, be patient, because you know, let's get into those. Let's get into those altcoins. Let me give you guys an example. Let me give you guys an example on whatever. Let me go into some altcoins. Let me go for example on Cody. I'm just saying something. Cody, guys, when we were over here, because I was telling you Cody looks bullish, Cody buying opportunity, and we made a lot of money over here. But I told you over here, take the damn profits and get out. Just wait for the retest. And look where Cody came yesterday. I told you 0.088. This is a drop of almost 70%. You know, guys, it's really, if you really don't know what you're doing in crypto and you're just staying here, you know, if you don't know what you're doing, don't follow me. Follow anyone that is showing you the objective story. The objective story. So he's telling you when to be bullish, he's telling you when to be bearish. And if you see that someone is only bullish, or he's bearish after a big dump, so a dump happens and then he will tell you, well, oh, it's looking so bearish. Know that this guy is only out for engagement and to make money out of retailers. Because the solid, real analysts, they tell you before, when we are in FOMO and we are in a rise, and he tells you, okay guys, now is the time to be very careful. Take some profits, take the money out. Those are the good people. But the ones when markets go up and you see them, you know, when I go to YouTube and I open up and I see some altcoins, I only see altcoins that already did a 20x, 40x, 50x, 60x, 100x. And then they're shilling, we're going to the moon. How do you mean go to the moon? It already did a 50x. So you're shilling, so you're making me now a YouTube vid, so I'll get horny to buy it in, and then you're gonna dump your bags on me? That's what happened. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds to share me your altcoin and your questions. I'm going through the chats. I'm going to answer as much as questions as I can, and push on the like, please. And well, you've got 10 seconds. Show me your altcoins and your questions. Let's see what we got over here. Do I got some questions over here? Dope music, loud and clear. Thank you. It's like the Mafia of CT. Yeah, it's worse than the Mafia of CT. It's worse. I'd rather have the Mafia than these guys. Really, it's... can you please explain a bit about indicator? New to it, thanks. Yes, I can. I will show you the indicator just in a moment now while I'm on it. This is the indicator. The indicator, what the indicator does is it shows resistance and support levels. This indicator is created by me, and I made it based on the US 500 chart. I've spent a lot of years trading and analyzing the US 500. So it's made over there. But you know, the thing is, it also works on everything. It's like you have to see it like this. In my opinion, this indicator I created is, there is some kind of indicator, I don't know what kind of indicator it is, but it looks like this indicator and it's used by whales. That's how I see it. That's my opinion about it. So this is the indicator. You can use it on all time frames. To get access to this indicator, I was giving it for free to everyone openly, and I've got a lot of hacks, and I got a lot of hate, and I've got a lot of people from shilling zones that have been coming into my feed and using this indicator, etc. So I stopped. It's still for free. But to get it, I have to be sure that you're a retail fund member, and you have to use the OKX or the Weex link below and come into our community. That way I know that you're no scammer and you'll be active trading, and that's how I can give you the code to this indicator. So that's about the indicator. And if you want to know more about the indicator, I made like 10 or 20 vids about my indicator. So just go to my YouTube vids, open up any indicator. I just made a very good one. The last one, just go to my videos and you'll see indicator, and you'll get all everything that you want to know. So let me see what is the, okay, explain a bit about the indicator. Okay, using I advise everyone to go watch them. Yeah, thank you very much, Tom. That's exactly what I said. Can we look at Venry, sir? Spot entry, please. Venry. Well, let's see Venry. I heard about Venry. I don't know exactly what Venry. I don't know it. But let me check. Venry. I heard something about it lately. Venry. Let me see. Venry. Let me see Venry. I see it's on my watch list, so I've probably already watched this coin. Okay, well, Venry. Let me check the market cap of Venry. Today I'm prepared. I prepared this because I know, because guys, market caps and fully diluted market caps are very important to determine if something is good or bad. But Venry, what is Venry? Venry, let me see. Oh, it is very looking good. A market cap of 220 million on a fully diluted, also 220. Looking good. What is Venry? It's already on Binance, I'm seeing. BingX, Bit. I don't know exactly what Venry is, bro, but Venry is looking very good. Let me put it on the weekly. See what the indicator is not showing because it's pretty new. This, bro, if you did your research on Venry, if it's a solid project, this could be a nice entry over here, bro, on spot. This could be a nice. It already came very close to it. So this is my start. This is my start DCA buy on Venry. And if we will come even lower, we'll go to this accumulation zone over here. So it's from the 10 cents to the 7-8 cents. So this would be I will do some research on Venry, by the way. I'm really liking this. Tokenomics are looking good, and also the market cap looking good. I will check this one. I will check Venry because it's on my watch list. So if it's on my watch list, it means that there is something over there. So that's about Venry. What do we have also over here? Thanks for the indie yesterday. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. What do you think about Flux? Comey, what do you think about Flux? Is my #1 altcoin. And that's not based on price action, that's based on fundamentals. So if you're asking me what I think about Flux, Flux is my #1 coin. I think everything is said about that. And I did yesterday have been charting Flux. So if you want to know more about Flux, just go to the video of yesterday. So Flux is my #1 coin. So, I have no relations to Flux. I don't know the team. They never contact me. I never contacted them. So this is really an objective, just my personal. And, I'm no fundamental expert, by the way, just to give you guys that for clear. But in my opinion, Flux is my #1. Is really my #1 altcoin for the future. I think that Flux has got really great technology. So what do we've got more over here? BNB, guys. BNB. You have to see it like this. Binance is the biggest exchange of the world. It's just how it is. And then we've got OKX is about the second one. Together with Coinbase, by the way, but OKX is also, I partnered up with OKX. I'm very happy with that partnership because OKX, guys, you really will be shocked about the futures that they have over there. It's really, it's a KYC platform, so you have to be KYC, but it's really, OKX is really great. But Binance, I think, in my opinion, that Binance is losing a lot of market share, especially with with the thing with CZ going on. But the thing that I don't like about BNB is their tokenomics. Most of the BNB coins are held by Binance itself. So it's very, very hard to predict price action on BNB. Why? Because they are holding their the BNB. Most of all BNB available is they are ruling it. So if you're bullish on Binance, buy BNB, but I am not touching BNB. Let me see. Hello, Mark, up with FedEx. Yeah. VeChain is just, you guys know me, Flex is my #1 coin, but VeChain is my old #1 coin. VeChain is just about also fundamentally one of the best out there. And you know, VeChain is also a pretty safe altcoin to invest in my opinion. So VeChain, I really love VeChain, and VeChain is also making a lot of progress and a lot of new developments past weeks. But VeChain is very, very Bitcoin sensitive, but I think that VeChain will fly. But VeChain, just for the VeChain army, VeChain already has got a very big market cap, guys. Keep that in mind. So you know, I'm also always trying to find the ones that have got the biggest upside potential. And you know, VeChain in the most bullish case maybe a 3, 4, 5x. You know, and you know, that's why VeChain, I'm looking for the coins that have got a lower market cap. Because I know that most of you guys are not here to make a 3, 4, 5x. You're looking for the 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x, 100x. And I don't think that VeChain has got that potential. Let me see. And also BTC pump because of warriors that down due to our company. Yes, very, very good question. What you're asking over here. Yeah, that's something very surprising, because normally when wars tensions heat up, Bitcoin likes to pump, but this time it didn't. And there are some reasons for that. What those reasons are, I really don't know. I have no clue. But that's why we just chart based on what we're seeing on the chart. So the indicator is our best friend. So we just look at that one and it will show us. US 20, yeah, bro. It's getting FT. It's getting worse and worse and worse. You know, the financial markets are looking very, very bad. But we've got the elections coming up, and well, the USA will do everything to keep those stocks up, and even Powell is joining them now, and that's really. What's your thoughts on Lux? I really have no clue what Lux is. I really don't know what is Lux. Let me check over here. What is Lux? I really don't know what Lux is. Lux. Let me see what Lux. I really have no clue what Lux is. Lux is a Web3 NFT marketplace. Yeah. I'm no fan of NFT. Everything NFT related, just like Blur, just like OpenAI. I really, it's not my thing. So I think this question is better for someone that is. I'm not interested in anything related to NFTs. What's your thoughts on the gaming sector? Gaming sector is gaming sector is almost the same like the meme coins. And you know why? It's very simple, because you know, I've been in the previous cycle with the gaming hype and the gaming pumps. And you know what happens? It's very simple. When you play a game, you're going to play it. And when you're done playing it, you're going to play the new game. So how is an investment in a gaming coin healthy? I really don't get it. Because you got to, like, if there is a game like Fortnite that has been for like years, okay. But I don't think that crypto or blockchain gaming will find something. Maybe a platform that keeps creating new games over and over again, okay, like Peer, like Gala, like those ones, okay. But you know, I wouldn't invest in special games, because that is very risky. And you know, I'm not, you know, I've said it before. I had some gaming coins. I was in a project that gave me some. You get some coins, and when I go to my MetaMask, those coins are, you cannot even buy a candy with it. So gaming coins, very, 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 very. Okay, we've got Mamar over here. Bonjour, bonjour, monsieur. Monsieur, bonjour. Je parle un petit peu français. Bonjour, monsieur. We've got people from France also over here. I was late. Maybe you can talk about the total 3 hasn't broke out. Yeah, the total 3. It's I can chart the total 3, but you know why I'm not charting the total 3? It's because of how are the markets going to open? How is the US 500 going to open? Because that's if the US 500 will start dumping like crazy and oil starts ramping up, it doesn't matter how the chart or how the TA on the total 3 or total 2 or total looks like. Most probably we will dump together with the US 500. So that's why it's now waiting for what's going to happen the next 2 days. It's really waiting for that. It's probably how alts are. It's looking like it don't just become first breakdown. We had the weekly on the US 500. Yeah, look, US 5. Look at it. This is 1, 2. This is nothing. Look where we are. We are just at the levels of 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. So if someone tells you that we dumped, I told you the first level to watch is the all-time high, 48. That's the first one. Let me see. It's okay. Market partner with FedEx. Oh, sorry. I thought it was VeChain. Oh, yeah, I read something about that. MNW. Let's check MNW. Why not? Guys, I like low cap coins, especially the ones that are partnering up, and especially the ones that are having low market caps and solid fundamentals. Those are the coins that we will make a lot of money on. So I really love that. So everyone, just share it. I'm here. Let's see, what is this? It's Morpheus Network. Yeah, it isn't listed on Binance. That's also very bullish, by the way, because I cannot find it. I think it's not listed yet. So let me put on the KuCoin chart. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute. Let me put it on the weekly. Let me put it. Oh, it's pretty big dump. I really have no clue what the fundamentals are. But you're saying that they have a partnership with FedEx. So I believe you on your word. But we made a new low over here. So this is not good. What is the next level to watch? That's 70 cents. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put, by the way, guys, I'm gonna put these coins on my watch list. So MNW FedEx partnership. I will check these ones because this is looking like something. What is the market cap? Again, also looking very good, just like Venry, guys. 117 million, fully diluted, also 117. So this one, guys, I will put, thank you for sharing these coins, because I'm on the financial markets, I'm on the Forex, I'm on the commodities, I'm on crypto. I need you guys. So that's why I'm doing these lives. You guys are helping me so I can help you. So that's just how it works. You help me, I help you. So this coin, MNW, it's on my, wait a minute. I'm gonna write them down because I really am interested in these coins. I'm gonna do some more research. So we've got MNW and we've got Venry. These two I will be digging into the next days. So okay, the next one, what do we've got? MBD. What is MBD? MBD is RW. Oh, okay, and IA. Okay, let's check it. MDB USDT. What do we've got over here? MDB. Oh, this coin has to be very, very new because it's not. I cannot find it on my trading view. So if I cannot find it on my trading view, I cannot chart it. So MDB. When it's on over there, then we'll check it. What do we've got more? We've got over here BCUT and Theta. What is BCUT and Theta? BCUT and Theta. Guys, you have to explain me the coins, otherwise I cannot chart them. Give me some reason why I have to check in on them. Opinion on Injective. Injective pump too much, not interested. Also, one of the most shield coins over there. Not interested in Injective. Injective at $2, I was interested in it when it was getting murdered by FTX. So now I'm not, guys, Injective, I'm very happy for everyone that made a lot of money on Injective, but I'm not interested in let me see, under 10 million. Yeah, I know MDB. You know, it could be the next big thing. MDB. Let me write it down. Let me write it down because I cannot chart it. MDB. It's not over there, so I'll check it. MDB. I will check it. Both the tokens, AI space and low market cap. What charts look like? What's the chart look like to you? Okay, let me see BCAT. Let me see. Let me also AI related, guys. AI related coins are the ones you have to check. It's really, I'm really serious. I'm really serious, guys. These are the ones that can make us the most money. Okay. Pump, dump. Let's see. Oh my God. I really hope that nobody bought that top. Oh my God. So many people are getting wrecked, totally wrecked. Because you know why? When the charts come here, that's when the shilling machine start doing its thing, and that's when retailers start buying in, and then you got these dumps. 9.9 fully diluted 180. Not interested in BCAT. I'm sorry. So let me see. Wait a minute. What do we've got over here? Oh, it's MBD. Oh, let me check. MBD. Okay. MBD. Let me check MBD. What are we seeing over here? It's some Mexc. Okay, let me see. What do we've got over here? This thing already made a nice rise up. Let me see what the market cap is. MBD Finance. What is this? It's not showing. The project has limited coverage. Okay, MBD. Well, it's looking over here. It's looking like the indicator is over here. So if you're looking for an entry, this is the entry. 0.000. I don't know what the market cap is because Masario is not showing it. So that's about MBD. Nextra, yeah, really. Nextra, Remark. Remark is an old dog. Remark, Moon River. Ellie, I'm not interested in Remark. Also not interested in Moon River. No, NXtra is a good one. Joystream. Joystream is a video platform and blockchain. Okay, Joystream. What is the ticker of Joystream? Yes, I'm Mexc. Hey, checks is RWA coin, 300 mil mark, not on any sex. Okay, and next row, yes. Guys, let me show you guys some next row. Irene is talking about next row. Let me do next row. Next row is, in my opinion, what was it? Let me see. I have this chart because I know that next row I've been checking this one. I know. Yes, here it is. I have it. I know that I have it. Oh my God, it hit the indicator on the weekly and bounced very strong. Next row, what is next? Next row, I know that next row is good. I know that next row is good. I know that it's good. What is it? Alliance block next row. Let's see. What is this? 133 million, 148 fully diluted. Looking good, but very, very low volume. Very Alliance block next row. Okay, a line block. I know that Nextra is good, but Nextra, you know, guys, it's very simple to explain this. And you know, I don't like charts that are over here. You know, it could get another ramp up, and maybe this is another 10x. It really could. But you know, there are so many altcoins out there. I like to buy altcoins that are over here somewhere. Just like Jasmine and Cody and a lot of coins that I shared past weeks, those have the biggest potentials. But Nextra is looking good. It's looking good. It came back to the Indy 1, 2, 3 times, and then pumped up. And so this is the fourth. So will it hold over here? If it will not, Nextra, let me just say it like this. I'll be very interested to buy some Nextra at the 0.86 level over here. I'll be very interested to accumulate some Nextra, because Nextra, I know that Nextra, it's a good project. Velo, we talked about Velo yesterday. You have to watch the video of yesterday. Muhammad Ali, can you show an example how? No, I cannot show that in this live. I will do that in the private, and you are a private member, if I'm not mistaken. So those type of trading on low time frames, those will be on those. I will share those in the trading course vids, how to find entries and how to trade, and also use the. Let me, guys, I'm gonna show you guys some altcoins that I'm eyeing. So let me go, because you know, there is an ecosystem from which I'm still very bullish on, and I have to show you guys something. This is one of them, Neutron. Guys, Neutron. If you miss this pump, because we nailed this pump, but if you miss this pump, this is a coin to keep an eye on. This is a coin to keep a very good eye on. So let me remove all this for now. And this coin is in my top 10 coins. Let me just say it. Especially when it came down so hard. Look at this. Guys, let me see the market cap of Neutron. Let me show you guys. This is one that I'm very bullish on, guys. And I suggest that you put this one. By the way, guys, when I tell you that I'm bullish on a coin, don't go buy it, please. Don't go buy it, please. Because I will never talk about a coin and then buy it at that moment. Never, ever. When I say that I'm bullish on a coin, it means that I'm waiting for lower targets. So don't buy any coins I'm telling you about I'm bullish on it. And if you do it slowly. But in my opinion, you know what I mean. I don't like that, because I will never buy an altcoin when I'm talking about it. I will buy an altcoin. I will only show you lower levels. So please don't front run me also. Guys, this one, I will be very greedy over here. You know me, I'm not a greedy person. I'm the biggest enemy of greed. But if this coin comes back to the 50 cents, 40 to 40 cents, I will be very, very, very interested in Neutron. Guys, I'm telling you, Neutron. Neutron. Remember what I'm saying, Neutron. Remember this, Neutron. So that's one that I'm very interested. Let me see the BTC pair. Look at the BTC. We're coming back. Oh my God, guys, remember what I said, Neutron. I'm telling you. And this is, by the way, a Cosmos ecosystem related. So, and this thing is getting, let me put on an alarm, because I'm interested in Neutron. I'm interested in Neutron. So while we're talking, I was thinking to myself, oh yeah, Neutron. Let me see, what was another one that I wanted to talk about. Let me see in the chat if you guys have something for me over here. What is this? Can you analyze NOS? What is NOS? Guys, if you share an altcoin, explain why. Explain why, because I cannot chart an altcoin, and because if I don't, maybe it's a meme coin, maybe it's whatever. If it's no solid altcoin, I cannot chart it. So Neutron, guys, Neutron is, in my opinion, one of the coins I'm very interested in. Let me find you guys another one that I'm very interested in. Let me find you guys another one. I've talked about this one. Yes, I've talked about this one. This is also one that I'm very interested in. Look at it where it is. Listen, guys, these are the charts I like. These are the charts I like. So when you come talk, this is what I like. XCAT. Look at that dump. Oh my God. Look at that dump, guys. Look at that dump. It's, what to say? This already dumped so much. So if this thing comes down, I'll probably start accumulating some of this XCAT coin. This is one you have to be patient about, because it could explode out of nothing. XCAT network, I really like this gem. Let me see. The fully diluted market cap is not so, I'm not liking the fully diluted, but I will scoop some XCAT, because I'm very bullish on XCAT. So it will be very small back, by the way, very small back. Let me show you guys another one from which I'm very, 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 very bullish on. Okay, for the gaming guys, the ones that like the gaming Peer. Peer is one that I like a lot. And you know, I made a vid about this. So Peer, guys, Peer at everything in these regions on $3 to the $2. I'm buying Peer. I am buying Peer. Just that you guys know, I will be buying some Peer. So Peer is also a coin that I'm very interested in. If you're believing in the gaming sector, etc., this is a super wrecked coin, and this one at the $3 is a steal in my opinion. So that's the one. Another one that I'm very bullish on. A0. A0, guys, look, it made this dump yesterday. If we will come back to this regions over here, I will scoop some A0. So A0 is also one. Okay, guys, we're gonna close it up. I think that I shared a lot of altcoins. I'm gonna give you guys, if you have some questions, ask me now, and then I will close it up. Let me see, did I miss something? Tau, I'm not interested in Bitten, guys. I know Tau already pumped a lot, so I'm really the pumped coins that already made a lot of gains. I'm not interested in them, in buying them, because I'm looking to buy coins like this, like A0, like these charts. And it's not that Tau is bad or in any mean or can't do another 5x or 2x or 3x, but I know that Tau is already has got a very high market cap, and you know, I'm in the markets to make money. I don't care about anything else. I don't care about Tau, I don't care about Weex, I don't care about Flux, I don't care about nothing. I care about making money, and I don't think that Tau is a coin that can make you the most gains. ADA, Cardano is just chopping around with Bitcoin. It's just a Bitcoin related coin. So I don't think there is a lot going on with Cardano. Cardano will find its momentum, and when Cardano goes, I'll be interested in Cody. That's my style. That's my style. So I'm looking for Cardano. Okay, Cardano good. Cody, because Cody, if Cardano makes a 2x, 3x, Cody will make a 20x. So in my opinion, I rather buy Cody than I buy Cardano. Peer, okay. Naka also very, very pumped, hyped coin. So also really not. What is this? Peer, US, those are all Rio also. Guys, Rio also. I know Rio is great, but Rio already pumped a lot. Where is Rio? I wanna show you guys Rio. I wanna show you guys Rio, because I know Rio is a great project. I really like Rio. But Rio already pumped a lot, guys. So you know, it's just my style. And I'm not saying that Rio. Look at Rio. Look at Rio. Let me remove this all. You know, I know Rio, but Rio, look at this pump. Look at this pump. It's really madness. So if it comes back to the indicator, you might want to scoop if you really believe in Rio. Rio could be a nice scoop at the $1, at the $1 ranges. So if you believe in Rio, but Rio already, I really need those coins that already went down a lot. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close it down. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment, push on the like. Thank you very much. Stay safe, and remember what I said. Remember what I said in the beginning of this stream. Watch the oil chart. It will show you the way, DXY and the US 500. Stay safe, because we're still in very dangerous regions and times. The next 2 days will be very, very important. Have a nice one. Thank you all for watching.